to be here and to get the acknowledgement on inspiring women, and I'm just super happy. Thank you so much. My experience has been phenomenal, and I hope this continues for future generations in acknowledging women across the globe.
Thank you.
My name is Dr. Imande Kamara. I am the founder and the CEO, Disabled International Foundation, UK, Sierra Leone. I'm also a disability rights activist, women and children activist. I founded the organization 25 years ago in honor of my late disabled mother because she was discriminated against. So I said that, you know what, I'm going to change the perception of people with disability. So that's why I'm campaigning. Also, I would like to say a big thank you to IW, Rashmi, for organizing this wonderful event with wonderful women from across the globe. I'm really honored for recognizing me to receive this wonderful.
आज इंटरनेशनल वुमेंस डे के अवसर पर मुझे धर्मा दुबे अवार्ड से सम्मानित किया गया. थैंक यू सो मच इंस्पायरिंग इंडियन वुमेन एंड रश्मि मिश्रा जी. मैं एक्चुअली यहाँ पर एक टीचर हूँ और इसके साथ में मैं एक टीवी शो करती हूँ जो कि मैं पिछले 3-4 साल से लगातार कर रही हूँ, जिसके लिए मुझे ये अवार्ड मिला है. थैंक यू सो मच.
I am Manjari Singh from Scotland, Edinburgh. I am receiving this award for the community spirit, Dharma Dubey Award, and that is for She Inspires 2025. I'm very much delighted to receive this award from IIW, especially Rashmi Mishra has recognized my services, which I'm providing from 20-25 years in Edinburgh. So getting this honor and receiving this award means a lot for me. Thank you very much IIW and the team behind all this organizing. This is a very nice location where we are receiving. I came all the way from Scotland, and definitely it's worth it.
Congratulations. Congratulations, Manjari. Well done.
Dimple Sangani, thank you for this award, and this is for womanhood, this is for everybody. Every woman is beautiful in their own way, and we all are equal, we all are beautiful in different ways, and we should keep working hard, stay positive, uplift each other, and celebrate this every year like this. Thank you, Rashmi.
Hi, my name is Kunal Kapoor from Captions Financial Solutions. We are whole of market mortgage brokers, and we deal with all sorts of residential buy-to-lets, limited company buy-to-lets, commercial, bridging loans, we name it, and we can actually service all kind of finance. And I had a pleasure to actually sponsor a lot of categories here at IIW She Inspires Award, and I'm very grateful that they are giving a lot of ladies a platform to shine, and they make sure that all the achievements are recognized. And hats off to Rashmi and to Bob Blackman, who actually gave us all this opportunity to host this event at this show. So thank you very much, and hopefully we can have more interactions together like this.
Hello, I'm Smita Mishra. As we come to the end of this inspiring evening, on behalf of IIW Inspiring Indian Women, I extend my heartfelt gratitude to all our guests, honorees and attendees for making this event truly special. Let's continue to uplift, inspire and support one another. Thank you all for being here tonight. Wishing you a wonderful evening ahead. Our sponsors are YBN Yorkshire Indian Business Network. It's Sonia Singh, Sonia Sabarwal, Paramita Goswami, Jaltaran, DFL Group Logistics, Kalpana Kundan, Enchante Mirabilia, Karthik Subramaniam, Worldwide Immigration, Relentinger, Chartered Certified Accountant, 99 Home One-Stop Solution on Property Matters, AOCG Admissions Overseas Consulting Group, Mr. Chart, Captions Financial Solutions, Magic of India, Manish Tiwari, FRSA Chairman and Founder here and now 365, Lakhan Caterers, Maximal Global CIC, Global Mental Health Wellness Mission, Arts Fashion House by R.P. Verma, Sitech Recruitments by Sunita Chope, Ritu Chopra, Nura Ultra Orthopedic Mattress, KK Sheenon, Ashford's Law, NutriVibes with Alcam. Thank you and have a great evening.
Hi, my name is Vijay Vasist. I'm co-founder of 99 Home. We deal in sales, lab management, auction, just everything from just 99 pounds. Thank you very much, IIW team, for hosting this wonderful event. Absolutely brilliant. We will support you wherever, as far as we can do. Thank you very much, Rashmi Mishra and entire team, and all the winners. Keep growing, Happy Women's Day, and happy woman, happy life.
Thank you very much.
She Inspires Award. It's an honor, it's a privilege. Thank you, Rashmi Mishra. Thank you, every one of you, the team members, being so hospitable, so polite. And it's a platform where all women, they come together. And only one line I would like to say is, Yatra Naryastu Pujante Tatra Ramante Devataha. So where every woman is respected and honored, there the family grows, the nation grows, and the woman gets empowered automatically. Jai Hind.
It's an absolute pleasure to be a part of IIW. I've been a part of this event since past 5 years now, and every year there's always something new, something inspiring, and to be honest, I could see the emotions in the eyes of awardees. They are so emotional when they get the award, and which is incredible. It's like acknowledging the hard work of these lovely women who have been doing excellence in different fields. And there have been some cases where one of the ladies, she has helped saved 10,000 girls from child trafficking. Incredible. It's literally, I got goosebumps just listening to that.
Thank you.
Thank you very much.
So yes, we've been associated with IIW for a long time. We've been supporting them in different ways. But one of the ways we think is to to thank people, the inspiring women who've done so much, is to be a part of IIW and its ventures. And one of the things we do is to support them in sponsoring snack boxes. We've done that. This is the second year we do that for their other events. And yes, it is a great feeling to be part of this fantastic venture with so many women from India and the overseas, and the UK, of course, are part of. So if we are Lakhan Caterers, our website is www.lakhancaterers.com, and our Instagram, Shivantika, what is our Instagram? She can give it to you.
Lakhan Caterers.
Is it Lakhan Caterers? That's it. Thank you so much.
Namaskar, I am Arpita Thakur. Today I am very happy to receive Indian Inspiring Award about women, and heartfelt thank you to Rashmi ji and her lovely team for their hard work in creating such a wonderful platform for all the women. And today I received this award for my social service and art, culture, language. And I'm very happy to be there, and I'm very honored to be there. And thank you very much, all the team and Indian Inspiring Women, and congratulations to all. Thank you very much.
Congratulations, Arpita. Hi, Angelika. How are you feeling?
I'm feeling great today. It's adding another feather to my cap, this award today. I'm Manjulika Singh, MBE from Glasgow, Scotland, and I have received MBE from Her Majesty the Queen for my services to yoga, health, fitness and community cohesion. And I do lots of work for community, and I enjoy doing that work very much. So I'm associated with IIW for many years. When IIW was actually running at COVID times, wonderful programs via Zoom. So I do some classes for them and meditation classes, and have a question answer session, and I was helping them. And actually I represent Scotland for IIW. So IIW is Indian Inspiring Women is doing a fantastic work for the community, especially for women who are empowering all over the world, which is wonderful job they are doing. So very, very grateful today to IIW for doing this and giving me this award.
Thank you very much.
Hi, I'm Aarti Verma, founder of Arts Fashion House, and today I have been privileged to be on and honored to be part of the Inspiring Indian Women She Inspire Award, Dharma Dubey Award, and here 100 women who have done some amazing work in their field have been felicitated, and I'm a proud sponsor of this award function, and I'm very thankful to Rashmi ji for giving me this opportunity to be part of this.
Hi, my name is Ajay Agarwal. I'm a chartered certified accountant. So I'm a practice accountant based out of Hayes, London, and I am really, really thankful to IIW team, especially to Rashmi ji, to give us opportunity to support and associate their award function in the UK Parliament. And the work the team is doing is absolutely phenomenal and fantastic. I wish them very, very best of the luck for the future events. Thank you.
Good evening. This is Lakshmi from the House of Parliament here. Extremely elated to be receiving this award. This is in recognition of, what does it say here? For outstanding educational role model. So thank you so much, IIW. A big shout out to Rashmi Mishra also. There were many women sitting there who I think are all feeling elated because they have been recognized for the little that they contribute. But a very good initiative, and I hope to see lots and lots of women receiving awards like I have today. So a big thank you to Bob Blackman, the local MP. Big thank you to the House of Parliament for sending the invite, and of course a big thank you to Rashmi Mishra.
Hi, my name is Chinu and I'm one of the Deputy Director of IIW. Today we are celebrating in the Parliament the Inspiring Women Award, and this is for the Women's Day celebration, She Inspire Awards, and this is given to the women who are the unsung heroes of our household. So today we are very, 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 very proud of those women who got these Dharmesh Dubey Awards, and I have collected so many of them today. So I'm really grateful for them, and I wish them best of luck, and congratulations to IIW for doing this forever basically, and then we are expecting next year much more bigger, and many of them should win again.
Congratulations.
Thank you.
So much.
Rashmi, how are you today? Could you tell us why you're here?
Yes, I am very well. Thank you so much for asking. We are here to support IIW for their Inspiring Indian Women Awards in the British Parliament today. Actually, few years ago, I was privileged to receive this award, and today, why not, for the better cause, for the good cause, to support them. And it is one of the very best platforms where from I started my journey. And that time I received an award of Best Entrepreneur, and definitely I have grown up from there. We are now running a British Youth International College, and after COVID we have gone global. Now we are operating in 50+ countries.
Could you tell us, where did you come from?
I'm coming from Glasgow, all the way from Scotland.
So did you just come for the event?
Yes.
Wonderful.
Yes. This event is obviously inspiring, and it's connecting me with the roots.
So how did you feel about the event today?
Event is fantastic. It's brilliantly organized, and I met with some of the MSPs, MPs over there, and there were a lot of councillors and mayors, and a lot of inspiring women. They motivated me to the heights.
Excellent. Thank you very much, and I wish you all the best.
Congratulations. How do you feel?
It's a wonderful experience to be amongst very, very inspiring women. Women actually handle a lot of stuff, they juggle, and yet they inspire, and I think it is just rightly said, Inspiring Women Awards. I'm so grateful, and thank you very much for recognizing.
Chinu and IIW का cultural director हूँ. आज हमारा for us we celebrated the She Inspire IIW का जो होता है yearly, हम लोगों ने House of Parliament में celebrate किया. बहुत सारे लेडीज़ को हम लोगों ने इंस्पायर किया और उनको अवार्ड दिया फॉर देयर वर्क, जो अनसंग होता है, जिसको लोग नॉर्मली अवार्ड नहीं देते हैं, बट IIW हमेशा आगे रहते हैं उनको आगे बढ़ाने के लिए. सो थैंक्स टू IIW फॉर डूइंग दिस, एंड मैं I want them to grow more and do more for women and for everyone. Thank you.
के अवसर पर मुझे धर्मा दुबे अवार्ड से नवाजा गया है, जो कि हाउस ऑफ लॉर्ड वेस्टमिनिस्टर लंदन में है, और ये अवार्ड हर साल उन नारियों को दिया जाता है जो अपने लीग से हटकर कुछ नया करती हैं. तो मैं यहाँ पर टीचिंग प्रोफेशन में हूँ, इसके अलावा मैं एक TV शो होस्ट करती हूँ, जिसके लिए मुझे ये अवार्ड दिया गया है. थैंक यू सो मच रश्मि मिश्रा एंड इंस्पायरिंग इंडियन वुमेन. ये मेरे लिए लाइफ टाइम मेमोरी है और ये बिग अचीवमेंट है मेरे लिए. थैंक यू सो मच.
I've started now. Hello everyone, my name is Dr. Imambe Kamara. the founder and the CEO Disabled International Foundation UK, Sierra Leone. I'm really honored tonight to receive this humanitarian award from IWP. I want to say a big thank you to Rashmi for organizing such a wonderful event for wonderful women from across the globe. Thank you.
Inspiring Indian women. Thank you Rashmi Mishra. Thank you Bob Blackman. ये जो समा जो बांधा है हमारी नारी शक्ति, तो मैं एक लाइन बोलूँगी, यत्र नार्यस्तु पूजन्ते तत्र रमन्ते देवताः। तो जहाँ नारी का जो पौधा ऊंचा होता है वो देश भी बढ़ता है, परिवार भी बढ़ता है। तो इसीलिए मैं बोलती हूँ सशक्त नारी, सशक्त महिला, सशक्त भारत। हम सब विकसित भारत की ओर जा रहे हैं। अभी मैं यूके में हूँ, तो मैं वादा करती हूँ आप लोगों से, इंस्पायरिंग इंडियन वुमन की हर वक्त हर साल मैं आने की कोशिश करूँगी आपके साथ। जो भी वहाँ की जो पॉलिसीज़ हैं यहाँ भी इम्प्लीमेंट करने की कोशिश करूँगी। यही मेरा प्लेज होगा, यही मेरा प्रण होगा कि हर एक नारी आगे बढ़े, हर एक नारी अपने अपने हुनर को पहचाने। अगर हम हुनर को पहचानते हैं, अपने जीवन को सक्षम करते हैं और सशक्त करते हैं। जय हिंद।
Manjali from Edinburgh, Scotland. Very happy to receive this award for this is like She Inspire 2025 and Dharma Dubey Special Award for Community Spirit. So I'm very happy and glad to receive this award at the UK Parliament, Westminster, and happy that my work has been recognized and through IIW, which is like inspiring all the women in like all across India and UK. So I'm very glad to receive this award, and thank you Rashmi Mishra for acknowledging my community work and supporting me through that. Thank you.
Hi, how are you? I'm good. May I know your name, please? My name is Gayatri Lokhande. So Gayatri, why are you here in front of House of Parliament?
So I'm here to receive an award from Inspiring Indian Women on the Community Spirit category.
Oh wow, Community Spirit candidate.
Yeah.
Wow, nice. How are you feeling about that?
Oh, I'm feeling ecstatic about it, and it's really a good feeling, somebody acknowledging your works. Sometimes we women do a lot of thankless jobs, so at least some group is there to acknowledge that.
That's wonderful. Nice meeting you. See